Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying healthy and staying safe. And I miss every single one of you. I wish we were back in school so that we could see each other, but this has turned into our current reality. So we're gonna make the best of it. I have a very short lesson for you guys today. It should be a review of stuff that we went over before break. It's solving one-step equations using addition and subtraction. And so the first thing that I want you to remember is you have addition and subtraction undoes addition, and then vice versa, addition undoes subtraction. So that is what you need to remember as we're working through these problems. And as I normally do, I'm going to work the first 5 and then let you guys work the last 5. That is your responsibility. Here we go. So we have y plus 21 equals 16. Okay. So we have addition and we know that subtraction undoes addition. So we're going to subtract 21 from both sides. Our 21's cancel, and we're left with y equals a -5. And we got a -5 because 21 has a higher absolute value than 16, and 21 is negative. So therefore we got a negative answer. All right, so if we look at number 2, we have x minus 13 equals a -18. All right. Again, we have subtraction, and we know that addition will undo subtraction. So we're going to add 13 to both sides. Our 13's cancel, and we're left with x equals a -5. Now, why did we get a -5 again? Because -18 has a higher absolute value than a positive 13. And if you guys have any questions along the way, you are welcome to shoot me an email. I will be available tomorrow between 1 and 4. Or if you're watching this on Tuesday, today, between 1 and 4, to answer questions, answer emails. Or if you want further instructions and want to do a one-on-one, let me know and we will, I'll set that up for you. All right, so here goes. Number 3, we have n plus 5 equals a -90. Again, we have addition, and we know that subtraction will undo addition. So we're going to subtract 5. Okay. All right, and then we have 2 negatives. And this is where y'all like to get tripped up. You have a -90 minus 5. So it's not 85. What you're actually doing is you're adding another negative. Okay? So, slash and dash. -90 plus a -5 gives us a -95. So our final answer is -95. All right. Number 4. We have x minus 32 equals 100. Okay. So we're going to add 32 because we know that addition will undo subtraction. So we add 32. Our 32's cancel, and you're left with x equals 132. All right. Here we go. Last question I'm going to work. We have x plus 27 equals a -21. All right, by this point, we should know addition, well, subtraction undoes addition. So we're going to subtract 27. That'll cancel out, and you're left with x equals, all right, so we have 2 negatives. So we're going to add. So you have plus a -27 So you have a negative 21 plus a negative 27 gives me a negative 48. Okay, guys, the next 5 problems are yours. I would like for you to have those completed by this Friday. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I am here for you. And I hope you have a good day. I will talk to you later.